You spend 1/3 of your life asleep. What if you didn't have to? Sleep isn't a luxury. It's a biological software update, memory consolidation, emotional reset, cellular repair. No wonder we can't function without it. Yet, scientists are experimenting with electrical brain stimulation, smart sleep wearables, and even sleep replacement drugs like modafinil. The goal? Maximum wakefulness, minimum downtime. But if sleep disappears, what happens to dreaming, rest, and mental health? Are we becoming efficient machines or losing something human? If only the rich can buy sleeplessness, does rest become a luxury? What does free time mean in a world that never sleeps? We may soon have the power to delete sleep, but should we? Sleep is more than rest. It's part of being alive. Before we hack it, let's ask, what would we dream about if we never sleep?